Coming to you from the pages of Gracie's Colorful World. This picture right here is Gracie Jones. Look at that. It is acorn season. Today I was collecting some acorns for Gracie and painting with watercolor Gracie Jones. Gracie evading these neighborhood squirrels. So if you want to read all about it and read all about our life with Gracie, then just order this book or Gracie's Wild Adventures. They're both available on Amazon, and they make wonderful reads for all ages to enjoy. Okay, everyone, take care. Hope you have a great day.